Hey y'all, on this episode, we're gonna do chicken Alfredo. I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce homemade, and also we're gonna make some homemade Texas toast. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. All right, y'all. So season, I'm gonna use some of that smoked low beef rub, and then I'm gonna add on some garlic powder. I'm gonna put all of this in the bowl, season the chicken up, and rub it in real good. And then we're gonna be on to the next phase, which is laying this in the. I'm gonna brown it up, right? Laying it in the skillet with some just a little version of olive oil in the skillet, and we're going to brown it up real good, and then we'll be on to the next phase. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Okay, so the chicken is been seasoned, and now again, like I was saying, so we're just gonna brown it up and put it in the skillet, brown it up on each side. Cook time took just to brown it. It took like 10 minutes on each side, and then I did cover it up. I covered up the skillet and put it on low just to make sure that the chicken did get done. I did that for additional, I think 7 minutes, additional 7 minutes with it covered in the skillet just to make sure the chicken is done. Y'all already know you can't play, you can't mess around with raw chicken. Check it out. Okay, so I would say in a matter of a good 30 minutes, let's just say 30 minutes, we could, again, we browned it on each side and the chicken was ready. So now man, let me just scratch something. With that homemade rub that I make, man, you can put that on any type of meats, man, and it comes out amazing. I'm gonna get that together one day, man, so I can share that to the world. You got to have that, man. But anyway, look, I'm taking the chicken off, and then we're gonna be on to the next phase, which is simply, yeah, right there. We're just gonna chop up the chicken, then we're gonna set it to the side. And then we're gonna be focused back on that pasta. And with the pasta, you know what I'm saying, you just, you know what I'm saying, just boil it until it gets good and tender to your likings. That's all. So anyway, I'm gonna chop this chicken up and we're gonna be on to the next phase, baby. Oh yeah, I forgot a little side action there. So it was just some, frozen peas and carrots. You just put that in a skillet with your seasons and let it do its thing. Okay, y'all, so I would hope that everyone know how to boil noodles and drain them, right? So I ain't even scratched that. So I'm on to now, we're gonna make this Alfredo sauce. As you can see, I just poured some milk, and then we added on some heavy cream in the skillet. And then we're gonna add on, right here, we got some Parmesan cheese. We're gonna add that in the skillet. And then next thing, we're gonna be on to the next phase, you know what I'm saying? We're just gonna stir it around. And look, when you're doing this step right here, especially at the beginning, you wanna keep your eye on low, you know what I'm saying? Just wanna keep it on low and just stir it around till you get that temp. And then once it get up to temp, you know what I'm saying, then you can just go ahead and if you add any type of seasonings, as you can see right there, it had got up to temp. And the only thing I added in mine was some black pepper and sprinkling a little bit of garlic powder in it, man. And I only put the garlic powder because I kind of want to have that little that taste, that Italy taste, right? So check it out. All right, you guys. So I went on and added the noodles into the Alfredo sauce. And look, I'm gonna let you guys know in something. I made two dishes of this Alfredo sauce. I wanted to, you know what I'm saying, make sure mine was real good and creamy. So I added in the noodles in the first batch, and then I'm gonna add the chicken, and then we're gonna stir that around. And then I'm gonna add on the additional Alfredo sauce. Again, just to make it real good and creamy. Oh yeah. Okay, so right there, you can see me adding on the additional Alfredo sauce, right? Like I stated, I wanted it to be real good and creamy. And I want to stress another thing, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of time when you guys be watching like videos of people cooking, a lot of times you don't, you know what I'm saying, see them testing their food, you know what I'm saying? Or, you know, just making sure it's seasoned good enough. Look, don't let them people fool you, man. When you cooking, I hope, you know what I'm saying, that you at least do a little taste test on your food. Make sure you have the right amount of seasoning, right? All right. So look, on to the next phase, making this textured toast. And that's just simple as like spreading on mayo on both sides of the toast. We're gonna spread on some mayo, and then we're just gonna let it, you know, brown up in the little flat skillet. Hey, ain't nothing too magical about this, but just doing it. And then, you know what I'm saying, just keeping control of your temp. You know what I'm saying? You got to keep a close eye on it. You don't want it to, you know what I'm saying, burn right here. So look, just do it and make it happen. And bam! Look, Texas toast, baby. We got the Texas toast, and now it's just time to go ahead and serve up a plate. And there it is, y'all. My version of some homemade chicken Alfredo. Man, let me tell you what. The fam really enjoyed this one. And I hope y'all do too. Peace. And another thing, I want to thank you guys for watching, man. I see the views is going up. Hey, appreciate you guys for watching. Hey, do me a favor. Go ahead and subscribe, share, and like these videos, man. I really appreciate it. And it's motivation to me. Man, catch y'all later. Peace.